Hi, everyone. Welcome to the School of Health Sciences mini session at Regis. My name is Marissa Calori, and I am our Senior Admission Counselor and International Admission Liaison at Regis. I work primarily with our first year student population from students that come from South Shore, Massachusetts, Cape Cod and the Islands, Rhode Island, northern and western counties of Connecticut, and California. I also work with a certain alphabetical breakdown of transfer students and, of course, our international student population. I've been with Regis for about 2 years, and my favorite place on campus is the Lower Student Center. I love this space because, in general, this building is filled with students. There's a lot of fun activities happening. There's a space where a lot of events take place. And then there's also food, pool table, there's ping pong table. So it's just a really fun place for students to gather and hang out with one another. I'm going to talk a little bit about some of our academic programs that are within our School of Health Sciences. So first is our dental hygiene program. We have two medical imaging programs, which are diagnostic medical sonography and nuclear medicine. Our public health program is fairly popular. And then our social work and psychology programs are also very popular. A little bit about those two programs in terms of our fast track program options. So those two degrees, you can obtain a 4-year bachelor's degree, but we do also offer a 3-year bachelor's degree with those two programs. The cost savings are tremendous with these two programs. By doing a 3-year degree, you are able to save up to $54,000 and still participate in anything that you would as a traditional 4-year student. A lot of our students, after their 3 years at Regis, they will still stay at Regis for that traditional fourth year, and get their master's degree. So a lot of students with psychology will couple it with a master's degree in occupational therapy. And then, of course, students in our social work program oftentimes will go on and get their master's of social work from Regis as well. In terms of internships at Regis, 100% of our students must complete internships. This is something that we are proud to be able to offer our students because we do recognize that the more internships you have and the more hands-on experience you're getting, the better prepared you're going to be for your career upon graduation. This particular picture on the left-hand side is a photo from our dental hygiene clinic. Students in some of our health sciences majors that have a clinical experience as part of their curriculum don't have to seek out an internship. So these clinical hours count towards this student's internship. Our clinic is brand new. It is located in Waltham, which is about 15 minutes from our campus. It's a brand new clinic. It's absolutely gorgeous. And I encourage you to check out our virtual tour. You'll actually be able to see this clinic. And then alternatively, the picture on the right-hand side is a student that is in our diagnostic medical sonography program during one of her clinical internships. We have longstanding relationships with hospitals in Boston and the greater Boston area. So we are able to get our students into these hospitals to complete their clinical hours. And then the last statistic I want to highlight is 97% of our students are professionally employed or enrolled in graduate school within 6 months of graduation. So what this means for us is that we are looking at students that are professionally employed in the field that they studied in with Regis. So they are showing, this statistic shows us two things: that Regis is worth your time and investment. It's worth the financial component as well as the academic component, because we really do want to see that you're getting that return on investment, and this absolutely shows that. Alternatively, graduate school is another great option. We're finding a lot of students are going into the working world and need that master's degree. So the beauty of this is that a lot of students are recognizing that beforehand and are able to complete a master's degree with Regis as well. In terms of your application, we are on the Common Application. It is a free application. We do require an essay, your official high school transcript, one letter of recommendation that we'd like to see come from a guidance counselor or teacher, and then we are test optional for students applying for the fall 2021 term. So no need to submit any test scores for that. And a little bit about our financial aspects. So 100% of our incoming first-year students in the fall 2019 term received a merit scholarship or need-based award from the university. Students, when they apply to Regis, are automatically considered for merit scholarship, and this is solely based on your GPA. Test scores do not affect this. And your merit scholarship could be anywhere from about $18,000 to $28,000 a year. We do accept the FAFSA, the free application for federal student aid, and our financial aid office awards need-based aid from the university. And then we do have some full tuition scholarships that we offer to our students. We have a presidential Catholic school scholarship, which can be given to students coming from a president or Catholic high school. And then we also have a Regis Diverse Educator Scholarship, which is for students interested in studying education and working with low-income student populations. And then we do have several other full tuition scholarships that you can check out on our website. I want to thank you for attending this little mini session. If you do have questions, please feel free to reach out to our Office of Undergraduate Admission, either by phone or email. And we are very quick with our responses. So I encourage you to reach out and ask any questions that you need help with. Thank you so much.